Mount Pemigewasset, Mount Pemigewasseti, Mount Pemigewasset. Hello guys, good morning from Franconia North State Park, and today I'm going to do Mount Pemigewassett. Before I start, I would like to say happy Pemigewasseti to all my friends, relatives and everybody from Nepal. And after a big break, no hikes in the summer, I'm resuming my hike starting from a small mountain, Mount Pemigewassett. Let's see how it goes. It's 3.7 miles out and back. I'm just following the blue mark on the trees for the trail path. Today's hiking will be fun because of the fall color. Just adding a few information regarding the parking of the trailhead. I parked the car at Film Gorge parking area. There are two sections, so it's okay to park anywhere, but I would suggest to park at the trailhead parking. I was not sure where to park, so I parked a little bit down, so I have to walk around 5 minutes to reach the trailhead. Up to this point, it's been fun and it's so good. Feels so good after long time. I'm feeling so much good.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
So I think I have covered almost an hour, most probably and half an hour remaining for the summit.
Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Whew, I'm tired guys. Let's do some rest here for 5 minutes. If you want to see me climbing the rock. Woo, whoa, whoa. Woo. Ooh. Oh. Fun time. So finally, I'm at the trailhead parking of Mount Pemigewasset. It took me 3 hours to around 3 hours, not exactly 3 hours, to complete the hike. Overall, it was a medium hike, not a moderate hike. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Keep hiking. Thank you.
Every night, and what's it